let's see what Tat Granata from FHIA has for us today.
This is another great example of why the in-home consultation is really important for you to have a great and successful home improvement project. When we met with this homeowner, they immediately brought us to this area to talk about what to do with these windows. They're not that old, the home's not that old, but they put in windows that still needed hurricane protection. They also weren't happy with the divided light design of the window with the colonial grids in the windows, and they wanted to make sure they could do something that was energy efficient as well, because a lot of the heat and the natural light that comes into the space, they wanted to make it a little bit more comfortable so that when they spent time in the living room, that it was certainly more comfortable. So we looked at several different windows, and one of the things that they expressed that they really liked about the experience was we showed them different windows from different manufacturers. We went over everything from aluminum frame options to vinyl frame options, really listened and understood what they're really trying to accomplish. Everyone wants a great installation, but from a product standpoint, they really wanted to know everything that was available without a bias to one or the other. So by listening to the homeowners and really helping them identify what was best for them, they ultimately decided on a vinyl product, which is going to give them the energy efficiency they were looking for. Also the hurricane protection, they went with the Solar Max technology, which is going to reflect the heat away from the home, making the space more comfortable, and they got really good hurricane impact glass. So based on everything they saw, they felt that was best for the space. We also decided to order the windows without the divided light, so it was just the clean glass, which is going to give them the look that they were looking for cosmetically. So they wanted the hurricane protection, they certainly wanted energy efficiency, and they wanted a more natural, clean look on the glass. So with the decisions they made, everything will get accomplished for them, and they're going to love how everything turns out. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.